Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. Simplify 3k squared whole to the power of 4. Now we can actually put power 4 to everything. 3 to the power of 4, k to the power. Now, any power inside the bracket is multiplied by the power outside the bracket. So it's 2 times 4. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. K to the power of 2 times 4, we can write that as k8. So 81k to the power of 8. Simplify 21m to the power of 4n divided by 3n negative 5. So we can simply write here 3n negative 5. And 21 divided by 3 is simply 7. M to the power of 4 cannot be divided, so we simply write that as is. M to the power of 4. And we can see here that n to the power of negative 5 and to the power of n both have the same base n. So we can write this as n divided by n negative 5. N actually has an invisible power of 1. And when dividing powers, we simply subtract. So this is equal to 1 minus 5. And when you subtract the negative number, you always add. So n 1 plus 5, n to the power of 6. So we get n to the power of 6. 7 m to the power of 4, n to the power of 6. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.